Welcome to the exciting world of MINI, where innovation meets exclusivity. After receiving overwhelming feedback for its unique specimen, MINI is taking another big step towards electric mobility by introducing the world's first locally emission-free premium convertible in the small car segment, the MINI Cooper SE Convertible. The MINI Cooper SE Convertible is a limited edition open-air vehicle that offers an extraordinary and exclusive go-kart feeling. Available in Enigmatic black and white silver, this all-electric vehicle features resolute bronze-finished door handles, side scuttles, and surrounds of front and rear lights. The edition-specific equipment details further emphasize the exclusive character of the limited edition open-air MINI. Pioneering the use of secondary raw materials, the edition-specific alloy wheels are made of 100% secondary aluminum and use green electricity during production, reducing CO2 emissions compared to conventional manufacturing processes. The interior equipment features MINI electric design, including sports seats in MINI leather lounge design with seat heating, adjustable thigh support, and multifunctional sports leather steering wheel in Napa leather finish. The MINI Cooper SE Convertible is equipped with eDrive services that provide the driver with information on current energy consumption, range, and tips for an economical driving style. The car's dimensions, including the luggage compartment with 160 liters load volume, remain unchanged compared to the conventionally powered MINI Convertible. The electric drive accelerates the MINI Cooper SE Convertible smoothly from standstill to 100 km/h in just 8.2 seconds. With a range of 201 kilometers in the WLTP test cycle, open-air excursions are possible well beyond the city limits. Up to 30 km/h, the fully electrically powered textile soft top in MINI style with typical Union Jack pattern can be opened, closed, or set as a sliding roof. The MINI Cooper SE Convertible will be available in Europe in a limited number of 999 vehicles from April 2023. This exclusive and stylish limited edition vehicle underscores MINI's pioneering role in electric mobility and highlights the flexibility of the brand. So, don't miss your chance to be one of the lucky 999 customers to experience the electrified go-kart feeling of the MINI Cooper SE Convertible.